Well, what can I say? I have been a very busy boy, but I have also been a very naughty boy because I didn't film any of it. In short, let me just show you. This is how my yard looks right now. No more amount of dirt, no more anything. We are still hard at work. As you can see, the bulldozer is raking what is soon to be, well, soon with a trademark. Uh, our garden. Yeah, I lost my train of thought there for a second. I'm incredibly tired, in case you can't tell. Been working for a lot of days with minimal rest and a lot of driving in between locations. But yeah, this is you're asking why am I removing dirt from a garden? Well, the reason for that is because a lot of this earth is bad. It's clay. It's what was dug from the basement, and it was just stacked one layer on top of another. And what we have to do now is get it to an acceptable level, and yeah, that's what the bulldozer is doing right now. I have been lacking in my filming capabilities, but I've also been incredibly tired. And let me show you the progress that I have made with the back end. Many wheelbarrows have been taken over here and dumped, but it's looking rather well, and I can't wait for it to be finally finished. Back to the bulldozer, and what a bang up job is doing. Right now it's also filling in the hole where the shed used to be, so that it's also level with everything else. Having to dig up a lot of that stone foundation and stone foundation for pillars left a lot of holes, which now they have to be filled. Also, I need to learn to film without having my hand in front of the camera. Easy with the neighbor fence. It's not exactly, top of the line fence, but hey, if you're from the Balkans, you know the type of fence we're talking about. If you're from Eastern Europe, you know the type of fence we're talking about. It's the old janky rural fence that every neighbor is complaining about, and you really don't want to mess it up. Reason I was out of focus is because I was looking at my fix-up job of the other fence that was taken down, crooked, and I think I did a bang-up job. Now it's just an almost straight line, but then again, when it comes to Romanian fences, I doubt that there is a single straight one. the holes that you've seen dug up all around this area are the holes that I dug up to fill the back end of the house with more earth. Because even if we had, like, amount of dirt, which is gone, I also had a giant hole. Alright, enough filming for a while. I'll see you guys later.